Go! Dumpster diving here in Singapore. Sembawang, Singapore. So ayan po. We're actually getting something like this, Serious Max. But it's already expired. How about other things here? Oh, we have sugar. I know, plain flour. Lapit dito kay ate. Kailan ba expiration nito? Hindi ko makita. So ito. What's the expiration date? Oh, Hershey. Hershey's Cocoa. Oh, January 10. Expired na.